Home remedies to treat acne in 15 days. Diverse array of home remedies are being practiced to treat acne in whole world. The effectivity of these remedies lies in their antibacterial, anti-inflammatory, and cleaning properties with very few side effects. Following are top 10 remedies to cure acne in days. Before we start, if you are new to my channel, please subscribe it first. 1. Tea tree oil. Diluted and administered topically to areas prone to acne. Tea tree oil is well known for its antibacterial qualities. 2. Honey and cinnamon mask. To lessen inflammation and combat infection, a mask made of honey and cinnamon can be used. Mix honey and cinnamon powder to form a paste. Apply it to the affected areas and leave it on for 10-15 minutes before rinsing off. 3. Aloe vera. Aloe vera gel's calming and anti-inflammatory qualities can aid in lowering acne-related redness and inflammation. 4. Green tea extract. Green tea has anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties that can lessen the symptoms of acne. After brewing, let the green tea cool. Use a cotton ball to apply it to the skin or use it as a facial rinse. 5. Apple cider vinegar. It helps to balance the skin's pH and has also antibacterial properties. Using a cotton ball, apply diluted apple cider vinegar to regions of the skin that are prone to acne. 6. Ice. Applying ice to inflamed acne lesions can help reduce inflammation and redness by constricting blood vessels. 7. Regular cleaning. Excess oil, debris, and dead skin cells that can aggravate acne can be eliminated by washing the face twice a day with a mild cleanser. 8. Hydration. Drinking lots of water keeps the skin moisturized and aids in the removal of toxins. Check in description box for best skin product.